Pigeon. I am here this week to take over for Miss Marisa. We are doing a simple craft today. Picture frames. Sorry, Pigeon. I'll be leading the program for this week. Hi everyone, it's Miss Marisa from the Mall Library, and today we're going to make our own picture frames using few steps, few materials, and few supplies needed. Let's get started. Okay. The supplies you're going to need is I'm going to link the template in the description in this post, but this is just the template to make the picture frame. You can use printer paper, or you can use the thicker cardstock. You can use construction paper, whatever paper you have lying around the house. If you don't have a printer to be able to print this out, you can pretty much construct the template from here. It's just leaving, cutting out like the four corners in the square. You can probably just pull it up on your computer and trace it or something like that. The next supplies you're going to need is you're going to need a pencil to roll the paper to help form the picture frame, scissors to cut out the corners of the template. I also have glue just to kind of help the rolled paper to stay, because sometimes it does uncurl. And then just something to decorate the picture frame. So you can use crayons, colored pencils, markers, paint, whatever you want to decorate your picture frame. So the first step in what you're going to do is you're going to cut out these four corners of the paper. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like when it is all cut out. So step number 2 is just going to be to decorate with the markers, crayons, whatever you want. You're just going to color on these spots, and only a little bit of the design is going to show up, so you don't have to go too crazy. You can do polka dot stripes or whatever you want to do. That's what it looks like when I colored it. So the next step is to roll all these pieces of paper. You're going to roll it inward, so you're going to flip this over, and then you're going to grab your pencil and you're going to roll it. So you're going to roll it really, really tightly so the curls stay in place, and that will make the borders of your picture frame. If you're having trouble having the curls stay put, then you can just use a little bit of glue right along here to help get the pieces of paper to stay rolled. This is what it will look like when it's all rolled up and done. Just make sure you keep your pencil really tight when you roll it. It is a little hard with the construction paper. That's why I use glue. You may have to use tape to get it to stay, but it does form a little picture frame. And then it should fit a 5x7 photo. And here's a couple more that I did earlier this week as well. Okay, and that's it. You're ready to put a picture in your picture frame, and you're all set to put a magnet on it, maybe hang it on the fridge. Really, it's up to you where you want to put your picture frame. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. My video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Put in the comments below if you do this fun craft, or if there's anything else you would like me to do for a program for you guys. If not, I will see you guys next time. Have a good week, guys. Bye.